Hello, my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? My name is Fumidesaluvold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you are so very welcome indeed, my darlings. So why are we here? I'll tell you why we're here. We are here because of our fabulous and beautiful Wendy Williams. And it seems Wendy Williams' attorney claims the leaked medical records re-diagnosing her with dementia are false. It says it's a tactic to keep Wendy in a restrictive guardianship. Where is the actual medical report supporting this leak? Earlier on this week, I found out that she was re-diagnosed. Wendy was re-diagnosed, and I felt bad. I felt bad for her because I wish her well. Many YouTubers, including myself, I don't think we will be where we are because, Wendy, you really were the pioneer. You are the pioneer. And I'm giving you all of your flowers henceforth because you deserve them. You truly deserve them. And no matter what we might think, right, wrong, and different, nobody should live their life like this. When I see Wendy like this, it constantly reminds me, Fumi, live your life. Live your life and make sure you have everything in place. Anywho, it goes on to say, Wendy Williams' attorney, Joe Tacopina, says the recent leaked medical records of Wendy Williams' diagnosis are false and were concocted to keep Wendy trapped under a restrictive and excessive guardianship. He went on to claim the leaking of this alleged diagnosis is a clear violation of Wendy's rights. The critical questions are these. Where is the actual medical report supporting this leak? And who is the doctor willing to go under oath and face cross-examination by me so the truth can be exposed, her attorney said in a statement to TMZ. If you recall, it's been determined that Wendy will not be let out of her guardianship following the alleged re-diagnosis. Her guardian, Sabrina Morrissey, asked a judge if she could retain guardianship until at least November 5th. My God. According to TMZ, Morrissey declined to comment, are we surprised, on the alleged fake medical information being leaked. What are your thoughts? I'll tell you what my thoughts are. Kudos to the lawyer. He's fighting the good fight. I feel as if Diddy has a better place in prison than Wendy has in this guardianship. It just feels so violating to me that you will take a full-grown woman, you will take her finances, you will take her freedom, and you will dictate to her how she has to live her life. It just feels so unfair because I just can't see a man being treated like this, black or white. But a woman, oh yeah, will take everything from you and we will tell you how to live. Do I think that she's unwell? Yes, I do to an extent. But mental health, none of us are exempt. And the toll that she must have been carrying for years, always giving a smiley face because you're hiding in plain sight in essence. I can only imagine. Anyway, to strengthen my case, who did I bump into? Angela White, formerly known as Blac Chyna. Isn't that strange? I find calling Angela White the correct name. It seems so natural. It rolls off my lips. And then I had to hesitate to remember Blac Chyna. When you're authentic because that's you and that's what we love. She spoke to Entertainment Tonight to tell us that she's not allowed to visit Wendy Williams because she and Wendy Williams are friends. They are close. And she had spoken to her about 3 weeks before Wendy's birthday. And Wendy can call her always from a blocked call and she can't call back. And she can't just go up and visit Wendy. You know what? listen to the audio.
I know that you have a very special relationship with Wendy Williams.
Yes.
And it was just her birthday a few weeks ago. I saw pictures of her out in New York. She looked fabulous. She looked like she was having a great time. Did you get to wish her a happy birthday? Have the two of you had a chance to connect?
You know, I literally I talked to her 3 weeks before her birthday. She wanted me to come out there. She was telling me like the update on how they was treating her. And what's going on.
Better? Worse?
They're not treating her right. And if I get in trouble for it, oh well. They're not treating her right in here. And it breaks my heart.
What did she say to you?
She said a lot. And yeah, it was a lot.
Yeah.
But she was in good spirits though. She was just telling me like the place where she was staying at, and it was a lot. I feel like those type of places need to be investigated.
Do you believe that your friend is okay?
Her mentally,
Yes.
yeah.
Yes.
The facility, I don't know, I just never heard of like how they be treating the people that's in there. And I feel like, why is she even in there? I have so many questions.
Were you inspired to get on a plane? Did you go visit her?
I couldn't visit her because you can't have visitors in there. And I don't have a contact on her. She can only call me. It's very, very different. It's weird.
Okay. So she called you a few weeks before her birthday.
And then she called me a little bit after, and she had asked me, and I was like, I can't make it this time, but I was like, I'm gonna try to figure out when I can go.
What is your birthday wish for Wendy?
My birthday wish for Wendy is just for her to stay protected and wrapped in God's arms.
Do you think we will have your friend Wendy back maybe by the end of the year?
I don't know. It's just all
It's complicated.
It's so tricky. I still don't understand why she's like in a facility.
It seems like you'll always have a very special place for her in your
Oh,
heart.
always. Oh, as soon as I got the call, I hello, because I was like, because it was it said block. There was a block number. I was like, hello.
You pick up a block number?
Yeah, I got it. Hello. Oh, girl, but she sounds good. She
Yeah.
was in high spirits.
Great.
And she was just explaining to me all these things. I don't know how much I can go into detail, but from the sounds of it, it's like, it's wild. I just wish somebody close to her would get her from up out of there, from out of this whole situation.
Maybe you're the girl for the job.
Maybe.
So that's what I'm telling you, my darlings. Let's pray for Wendy. Wendy, I wish you the very, very best. Hang in there. There's a saying, nothing is permanent. Nothing in this life is permanent. Everything will have its time, and that time too will pass. I'm wishing you all of the best. Keep staying strong. And one day, you will be out of this conservatorship. One way or another. One way or another, you will be out of this. And I hope that you walk out. That is truly my hope. All of my love to Fumi Nation. I cannot wait to see you guys in New York City for the Juvia's Place extravaganza. And I'm excited. Mwah. Yes, I do. Look, back up. Have you noticed that I refuse to give any of this away? It's always sold out. Always what? It's always sold out. So, guys, what do I think about our slippery lime shampoo? Let me show you something. And for the benefit of other shampoo products, I covered them. I had to do this test because I needed to prove a point. And I don't want to bring up any other product or brand. But these are other shampoos that I've had. Yeah? Okay. So I'm going to take them out one by one. Let me put my slippery slime here. I'm going to bring it out one by one. And I'm going to pour it out for you to see. Yeah? Look at the consistency. Look at the consistency. Okay. That is one. Look at the consistency of this one. Okay. Look at the consistency of this. Oh, God. Look at the consistency of this. Look at the consistency of slippery slime shampoo by Healthy Hair Studio, created by a trichologist called ENITAN. It's a beast. It won't even. Just look. If you are asking me, Fumi, a slippery lime shampoo, Healthy Hair Studio, created by trichologist ENITAN. Is it FDV approved? It is absolutely FDV approved. It is absolutely FDV approved. Go right ahead and use my discount code Fumi and get you.
The value of the information that we were given. So it's not overwhelming. It was very clearly laid out. It was accessible, even for someone that's not familiar with public relations.
Now I'm leaving, feeling more PR ready. What I thought I knew, I now know more. What I came to do, I've done so much more.
If you are serious about really growing your business or growing your brand, then like this is really this is a must.
And I love the fact that I came away from it feeling and knowing that I now have a clear pathway for the things I want to do next for my business.
I'm literally in awe.
I feel like I can pitch. There's so many platforms that I've wanted to go on, so many podcasts or just things that I thought I can only dream about. But in this retreat and just through the classes and the sessions, I really learned how to actually reach out to those platforms, to those huge platforms.
Know that when it comes to PR, Nina gonna put you together, okay? During our sessions, how she walked us through the playbook and she had us complete tasks. It gave us a sense of clarity.
Nina, you did that. You brought a group of amazing women together and you helped us bond, see our worthiness, and yeah, it was everything I could have dreamed of and more.
Yes, it's really been a unforgettable experience.
This is by far the most impactful few days I've had in a very long time.
Nina, you have no idea how profoundly your journey has impacted my journey.
Don't even think about not signing up.
Hi guys, my name is ENITAN, hair coach. I am UK's first ever hair coach and a trichologist. We are a team of trichologists and hair coaches here in W6 London, and we help those who are desperate and have tried and everything else has failed. We look after those who have chronic scalp concerns, flaky, itchy scalp that's been going on for many years. We help those that have hair loss that has progressed instead of improved, and we help those that just generally want to have a better understanding of better quality hair. Let length, volume, and reduce that dryness. Visit us by clicking